Open this up, make sure you have your gloves on. And basically, good news, our part is there. And so I'm gonna take it out. And you can see it's still kind of, it's got resin on it, stuff like that. Now it's on my fingers. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this lid here, and what you really want are some paper towels here because you don't want to drip on the floor. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna use my thumb to press this thing like this, and it's gonna go in here like this. Okay, and then this is gonna be in the isopropyl alcohol like that. And then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put this thing up here like that, and it's up on these rails here, and it says washing. So right here it says washing. I'm gonna press the black button. This is what they call in science a stir plate. So inside of here is a little like magnetic thing. And then if you want to film on the top up here, you can kind of see what's going on here. If you film down there, you see it's like a whirlpool there. And so you would do this for the 4 minutes, and it gets your part really, really clean. After 4 minutes, what's going to happen is you're going to take this off. Again, careful, eye protection. Isopropyl alcohol in your eyes is not going to be a very good day for you. So here this is now, and then we're going to go into fresh water. But another thing you can do is, I have a spatula. Yeah, this is a piece of metal, so you can kind of just get this off and try to have it not go flying. Okay, so I'm going to put this lid back on there because this evaporates. But if you want, there's a basket here. You can dump this in. By the way, these supports here are meant to pop off. You guys see that pops off? Pretty nice and clean, right? All these supports were just, I'm going to now just plop it in water, and then now it's clean. Okay, the last step is, this is pretty hard, but it's going to be more hard curing it. And so if you look back here, there's these lights here, and it's kind of like, women that get their nails done, they put on this similar light, and it makes them harder. So now I'm going to go here to the curing. And then if you see there's a crack here, you can see there's a blue light in there, but it's on and it's heating up too. And one thing to note here is that, remember earlier we talked about how this is the standard SLA resin. And so this, you want to cure, it gets harder. However, a lot of times we're putting in wax, and this stuff you should not cure. So, or it's not necessary because we're going to burn it out. So, I mean, I don't know if it hurt it if you did or not, but not necessary. I would just say then, basically, this resin right here, if this lid is left open, the ultraviolet light will make this go bad. So as long as this is closed, you could leave resin in there and not cause any damage, but try and leave it cleaner than you found it. So I'm going to put away my stuff, and that's it. So it'll be cool to get some stuff out of wax and have you guys make some awesome jewelry and stuff.